أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
You are a very good pupil of Abdul Rahman.
وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَرَزَقْنَاهُم مِّنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا تَفْضِيلًا. Indeed, we have honored the children of Adam, and we carry them by land and sea, and provide them with good things, and have exalted them far above many of those whom we have created.
Also, if you can explain to us what is meant by حَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ.
حَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ is very evident, I think. The question needs to be asked about it. In land and in sea, this is also English idiom, land or sea. So there is no question of they are bearing air, because at the time of crisis, men suffer only from water or from land during earthquakes, etc. So I don't see any reason why you should ask about this. What explanation you require about this? Throughout the history, people of Adam have been raised, have been carried by God along their progress during all crises, whether they related to the crisis in the oceans, or the crisis relating to water, or the crisis relating to dry land. These were the two crises which confronted mankind throughout history, and Allah carried them along, and then raised their status far beyond the status of other animals which God had created. This is very clear. Even the evolutionists have to believe that in the animal kingdom, the very top of the animals are far below humans. There is no comparison whatsoever. This is exactly what the Holy Quran is saying. See?